we are discussing regarding the determiners. Okay, so far we have discussed the determiners are the noun markers. They are used before the nouns to limit their meaning. Okay, we have discussed articles a and then we have discussed regarding demonstrative adjectives as determiners. This, that, these, those. Okay, and we have discussed regarding possessive determiners. Okay, is, hers, mine, yours, their. Okay, and we have discussed regarding the determiners quantity and a number. Okay, that determines about the quantity, about the number. We have discussed regarding few, a few, that few. We have discussed regarding little, a little, a little. We have discussed regarding many, much. Okay, and regarding age and a every. That also you should know. Okay, age means every single and every means for the whole class. Okay, so today, children, I will give you some of the examples. Okay, if we discuss regarding each and everyone, so each is used for an individual, everyone is used for the whole class. Okay, for example, each dress is very costly. Each dress is each dress is very costly. So what we are saying, we are talking about the every single dress. So each is used for what? It is used for individual. Okay. If we talk about everyone, then that is used for the whole class. Everyone. So is everyone. So who is used. Okay, so age is used for the individual, whole everyone is used for the whole class. How age and everyone is to be used. That you should know. Okay, then it is regarding either and neither. Okay, so I use either is one of the two. One of the two and then article is okay. So either once we use the determiner either, we talk about one of them, any one of the two. Once we talk about either, it means none of the two. None of neither of them is good. Okay, either of them could be selected. Both of them are equally good. For example, if I say, okay, either of them could be selected. One of them should be selected. Both of them are equally good. Neither of them could be selected. Okay, means none. So how each and everyone is used and how neither are used. That you should know. Just write it there in your notebook. Okay. Then we discussed regarding many and much. Many is used for countable nouns and much is used for uncountable nouns. Okay. For example, we can say that there are many students there in the class. Okay. So students are what? They are countable. There are many students in the class. So what is countable? For that, what is used? Many. And what is that not be counted? For that, what is used? Much. For example, not much information is available in this regard. Not much information is available in this regard. Information we can't count one information, two. Okay, so there what has been used? Much. Not much information, not much information is available in this regard. As information is uncountable, so what has been used? Much. Okay. As I gave the example, there are many students in the class. So many is used in terms of students. Why? Because that is countable. So many is used for countable nouns and much is used for uncountable nouns. Okay, is it clear to you, students? Yes, students. Provide your response. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, then, then children regarding interrogative determiners. Interrogative determiners. Interrogative determiners. Okay, these are what? Whatever, which, whose. Okay, interrogative determiners. These are starting with the WH questions. Okay, interrogative determiners where we ask some question, where we interrogate, where we question. So what, whatever, which, whose, all these are not. These are interrogative determiners. Okay. For example, which books do you want? Which books group you want? Okay. Which books do you want? So for inanimate objects, for non-living things, what is used? Which? Okay. Which is used for inanimate objects, non-living things, or animals. Okay. For that, what is used? What reference is made? Which? So which books do you want? Out of the two, which books do you want? As it is books, as it is an animate. Okay, and it is non-living. So which is used. Okay. Then whose notes are these? Whose notes are these? Okay. For belonging, what is used? Whose. Okay. As for subject, who is used. Okay. So whose notes are these? If it is, or we have to make a reference to a human being. Okay. In regard of in interrogative purpose, then what is asked? Whose. Okay. So whose is what? It is an interrogative determiner. Whose is an interrogative determiner. Which is what? It is an interrogative determiner. Okay. Likewise, what time do you reach office? What time do you reach office? Reach office. Once amount something. What is the most watch? What time do you reach office? So these are what? All these are interrogative determiners. They are interrogative determiners. Is it clear to you? So interrogative determiners are what? Where we make a question, where we ask something, where a question is made, where we ask things. They are what? They are interrogative determiners. And what? All these are interrogative determiners. And these terms, which books do you want? For what? Things. Okay. Whose notes are these? If we ask ownership from an individual or something, then interrogative purpose is used. The one go with office. Okay. So likewise these are used. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now I will will give you some of the questions to do. Then regarding some any, okay. So some is used for what? It's in quantity. Okay, and any means out of that two, if any to be used for that any is used. So all of you have written this. Yes,
सर दो लाइनें मत मिटा
all of you have written. Yes,
Yes,
student.
sir.
Okay. Is there any student who has not written? Is there anyone who has not written? All of you have written? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so I get the examples, complete the following. Okay. Follow me. Okay, then doing sentences by using a and it's like is you will respond children only when I will ask you. Okay, by that time you do there in your notebook, then we will discuss. Okay, so your response should come at the time when I will ask you. Okay, the stops. So you write this. God is blank precious metal. He is not blank honorable man. Honest man speak and truth. Varanasi is blank holy city. I was spending blank Ganga is blank sacred river. Okay. And the next one, which is okay. So likewise you write and then when you complete, then tell me. Okay. Yes. So do it. Take 1 or 2 minutes and then tell me. Yes. Yes. Completed. Okay, Jia. First of all, you tell what is.
Sir, may I tell?
Yes, Chris.
Gold is a precious metal.
Gold.
Gold is a precious metal.
Gold is a precious metal. Okay, and information is given about gold. So gold is a precious metal. And additional information, gold is a precious metal. Then he is not.
He is
He
not
is
an honorable
An
man.
honorable.
And
Honorable man.
one student only. He,
Answer an iron.
And
me.
he is not an honorable man. He is not an honorable man. On honest man's cake. See,
Drato.
okay, here see honest man MEM is there. So word form is speak. If it would have been MEM, then the word form will be what? Speaks. Okay, so therefore you have to take care of while editing and then omission. So honest man speak
The truth.
that truth.
The truth.
the truth.
Yes, honest man speak that truth. Then Varanasi is yes. An additional information is given regarding Varanasi. Varanasi is yes. Varanasi is a holy city. Varanasi is a holy city. Then I first made new year ago. And
Year ago.
yes, I made year ago. Ganga is
The
The
Ganga.
Ganga.
The Ganga.
The Ganga is
Ganga
Ganga. The Ganga
Uh,
is
is a
the Ganga is a sacred river. Sacred means holy. The Ganga is a holy river, which is longest. Longest
is
the
which is the
because it is a superlative degree. And before superlative degree, what will come? The. So which is the longest river? Which is the longest river? Taj is historical building. Further information regarding Taj is given. So Taj is yes, Taj. Taj is an historical building. Taj is an historical building. So here, if any additional information,
the
the information is provided as you have to use. Taj Mahal is an historical building. So all of this you have done. You have done. Okay. You completed. Then Taj is an historical building. When yesterday some homework was given children, that you have discussed or not. I gave he is dishonest man. He is a dishonest man. That you have gone through one of homework that is given there at the Google Classroom. Yes, students. I gave homework there at the Google Classroom. Have you done that or not?
yes
All of
sir.
you have done? Okay. So in that I have given
Yes.
he is honest man. He is dishonest man.
or dishonest.
A dishonest.
he is a dishonest man. Then I have lost book you gave me.
The book.
I have a particular book's reference is made, children. I have lost.
The book.
Correct. I have lost book you gave me. A particular book has been mentioned. Which book that you gave me? One particular book. So where we use something in particular terms, when we use something in particular terms, then what is used? That. Okay, which book? That book which you gave me. So a particular reference of the book has been made. So what will come? That. I have lost the book you gave me. I have lost the book you gave me. It is not about an ordinary book. It is about a particular book. It is about what? It is about a particular book. Which book? The book you gave me. I have lost the pen you gave me. Okay. This is the gift you gave me. Okay. So once we talk about something in a particular terms, then what is used? There is used. Is it clear to you? Yes, students.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So there, why there has been used? Because it is a particular book.
Yes.
It's not an ordinary book. It is not any book. It is the book that you gave me. Okay. So I have lost the book you gave me. You are having this here with you or not? This assignment I gave yesterday. Okay. You open it. Stitch in time saves 9. Stitch in time saves 9. So what will come here? A stitch in time saves 9. And there what will come? A stitch in time saves 9. Okay, then the next one is what? You tell me what is the next one? What is the next one?
an apple.
Yes, students. Yes, good, good.
An apple.
A day, an
Keeps-
apple a day.
Keeps the doctor away.
Yes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Then beauty of Kashmir has no parallel.
The.
Beauty of Kashmir, the beauty, particular thing about
The.
Kashmir. What is that? It's
The beauty of
So
Kashmir has no parallel.
the beauty of Kashmir has no parallel. Okay. The rich should help poor. Particular section of the society has been mentioned that this section should help this. So particular reference has been made. So what will come? The rich should help the poor. Okay. Anything else? This much only or anything else was given?
Sir, may I? Living in an interior of Himalaya was the unique experience for me.
Living in
And
living in interiors of Himalayas was. So what you have done in this?
living in an interior of Himalayas was the unique experience for me.
Living in a particular place of Himalayas has been mentioned, Algia. Living in which part of Himalayas? Living in which part of Himalayas? Interior part. Okay, so
Living.
here you will not go for sound. Here you will use the particular identity. So
Living in the interior of Himalayas was an unique experience for me.
living in the interior of Himalayas. A particular part of Himalayas has been mentioned. So for that particular part, what you will use? You will use the living in the interior. Living in the interior. Is it clear to you? Okay, a unique experience, Okay, you, you. Okay, so you sound is that of a consonant. So it is starting with a vowel, but sound is that of a consonant. So A will be used before unit. So it means from living in the interiors of Himalayas was an unique experience. Mr. Smith is European. Mr. Smith is, so A and what will be used? For the A and the what will be used? Mr. Smith is, I gave you the example also when we discussed in the class. When we discussed in the class, I gave you example that before this, so before European, what will be used? Yes, first. A European. A European. Okay, because though it is starting with E, that is a vowel, but European, the sound is not that of vowel. The sound is that of consonant. And as the sound is that of consonant, so before a what will be used? So Mr. Smith is a European. So before European, what will be used? Before unit, what will be used? Before university, what will be used? Before unicorn, is it clear to you? So likewise, do. Okay, students, shall I give the next examples? Yes. So likewise, you have to select the correct one. How much, many chairs to be need? What will come? How much, how many chairs to be need? So what
How
will
many?
how
How
many?
many?
Yes, why many will be used? Because it is countable. Okay. Do the next one. We have we have the a little oil, a few oil left on the. Yes, we have only a little or a few oil left on the car. What will come?
A little.
A little. Okay, we have only a little oil left for the car because a little is used for uncountable. A few is used for countable. Okay, so oil is uncountable, so we have only a little oil left for the car. Okay, then write it. Pens. Yeah, several or much students have annual department.
Several.
Yes. Okay, because it is countable. Students is countable. Okay. Then you write the next one. how much many information, how much many information does this browser contain? How much many information does this browser contain? Browser, that is the information.
How
So what will come? How much many? What will come?
how many informations?
I gave you example also. Okay, but you people don't pay that much attention.
How much?
How much information? How much information does this browser contain? Okay, information is uncountable. We can't count it. So, how much information does this browser contain? How much information? For information, many will not be used. What will be used for information? Much.
Much.
Okay, so many will be used for countable, much will be used for uncountable. Okay, then you write yes. A little knowledge is an dangerous thing. What will come?
A few.
A few knowledge is a dangerous thing, or a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. What will come?
A few.
No, knowledge is
A little.
countable.
A little.
You can't count one knowledge, two knowledge. Okay, so a little knowledge. What will come? A little knowledge. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. It is also a saying. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Okay, so what we count for that is used. What we can count. What that is uncountable for that a little is used. Okay, so a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Okay, so likewise, children, then right, next one. Anil or Punit. Will you repeat it? Select only finance. Okay. In this selected either, neither. Either means any one of the two, neither, none of the two. Either Anil or Punit will be selected for the finals. It is given will be selected for the finals. So what will happen?
Either.
Yes, either Punit will be selected out of the two. Any one will be selected. So likewise, children, you have to use it. So this much you have understood.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes,
make
sir.
more and more practice, more and more practice and understand. Okay, one you should understand where there few, there few is used. First, you should know that it is used for countable nouns. Then you should know that few means nothing, a few means something, and there few means whatever the quantity was. It is used for the complete of whatever the quantity was. Little, a little, the little. Okay, little means nothing, a little means something, and the little means whatever the quantity was in terms of its complete use. Little is used for uncountable nouns. Okay, few is used for countable nouns. Likewise, many is used for countable nouns. Much is used for uncountable nouns. Okay. Then where a and there is used. A is used before consonant sound and is used before vowel sound. You have to focus for sound. You have to focus on sound. Then there is used where you go through, you read all that we have discussed. There is used where a particular reference is made. For what it is used where a particular reference is made. Okay, it is used before the religious books. It is used before the superlatives. It is used before the names of the rivers, oceans. Okay, Gulf, likewise. So,
सारी क्लास में
will you do all this? Shall I give some more examples? Homework. All the work is to be completed by you in your notebook. To keep doing your work there in your notebook. Okay, when the schools will reopen, we will check all this work and you will get marks for the internal assignments. Okay, assessment. Internal assessment marks will get on the basis of your notebooks, assignments given to you. Okay, students. So your work should be completed there in your notebook. Okay, the complete work should be there. All the exercise questions we are discussing in terms of the lessons or the grammar work, or the writing work, which we discussed there in the class, that should be there in your notebooks. Okay, now do these questions in with suitable vitamins. You write it, this you have to do as homework. Okay? Write it fast. Students, write it. One more only. Okay. So you do it. Okay, students. Complete it. Do it there in your notebook. Okay. Complete it.
Okay, sir.
We will discuss